to you about law of sines, and we will be giving you some examples and prove you something about the law. So first of all, when you want to calculate about a triangle, you need to consider first whether it is a right angle triangle or no. If it is a right triangle, then you might want to use Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA instead. But if not, you must consider whether a triangle is on the basics that law of sine meets or law of cosine. So if for law of sine, if the triangle is given a number for one side and two angles, you can use law of sine. And it's the two law of sines. So we will prove how is these two a law of sine and how is it like connected together. So we start with a normal formula, and then we multiply both sides with sine B and sine A. So you could see that it will change the form like this, and then we will divide sine from both sides. So we start with by dividing B from this side to this side, and then we will divide A back to this side. So you could see that the formula, both of the formula is the same thing and could be used in different situations. For this problem, we can use either the first formula or second formula because the outcome will still be the same. So let's start calculating this. So I will be using this formula, A divided by sine A, which is 63, equals to B, which is 18, divided by sine B, which is sine 49. And then we will multiply sine 63 to this side. So it will be sine 63 multiplied 18 sine 49. And then you can just plug this thing into the calculator, and the answer for A will be A equals to 21.25. Bravo, you get your answer. So now we will do the last example question. So the question is, how high is the flagpole according to the diagram? And we will be representing the height of the flagpole using x. Let's calculate. Okay, so we're calculating for the y here. So as I had said, according to the formula, I will use a which is now y, divided by sine A, which is now sine 127, is equal to sine B, which is now 25 degrees, sine 25 degrees. And above it will be 20 meters. So I will multiply sine 127 to this side. And then I will plug this thing into the calculator, and I will get that y is equal to 37.8. Yeah. So right now I will change y into 37.8. So now you could observe that we already get two angles for this, which is 90 and 27, to calculate for the whole big thing. So let me erase this thing. Okay. So sine of 90 is below 37.8 is equal to x divided by sine 28. So you could see that this is the big triangle, so we could calculate it. And I will multiply sine 28 to this side. Okay, so sine 28. Voila. And then we just put this thing into the calculator. So the answer will be x equal to 70.8. Thank you.